Greetings, my name is Luke Rollins and today I will be discussing how Unslow Limited should account for option 1 of vehicle finance, should they choose to pursue it. Before we get started, general journal entries will be attached to this presentation should the board have any queries on how option 1 should be properly reported. Thank you. As option 1 is not a lease contract but a purchase contract, the treatment of the acquisition of the asset is quite simple. The reason for this is because Unslow Limited takes ownership of the truck on the acquisition date. Excuse me. The loan contract is simply a means of financing the initial acquisition of the truck. As a result of this initial acquisition, Unslow should immediately recognise the truck as an asset, in particular a non-current asset, as its expected lifetime is over that of a year. Additionally, as a result of this non-current asset being recognised, a non-current liability in the form of the loan must also be recognised. The depreciation for the truck is to be calculated through the residual method of recognition. Given the information provided, as a result of this method, the depreciation of the truck can expect to be depreciated at $11,000 every year per year for the life of the asset, which is 8 years in this case. The additional balance sheet effects that will be incurred are in the form of accumulated depreciation as a negative asset, which is to be expected. The profit and loss statement will also be affected if option 1 of the truck finance is to be pursued. The monthly interest payments will be incurred as an expense for the reporting period. In addition to this, the depreciation on the truck for the reporting period will also be an expense. This ultimately will affect total profits in a negative fashion and eventually reduce owner's equity on Unslow's balance sheet due to these additional expenses. Thank you for your time today. Again, if you have any further queries, please refer to the journal entries given and they should clear up any other questions you may have regarding the actual reporting of the acquisition of the truck through option 1. Thank you.